how to super reap your basil to the harvest moon. Go! Shorter days can bring large harvests. Now is also the best time to decide the fate of your basil plants. Here are my best basil tips. Follow along. You can take basil leaves as needed, or you can prune the plant and make a basil bush with 10 times product. See my smooth basil topiary? These are the leaf nodes. To attain this shape, I took all the leaves from the second, third, and fourth nodes when it was about 10 inches tall. The secret to shaping basil is when you take a leaf from a node pair, it grows a new side shoot from this spot, exactly where you took the leaf. Just when you've slashed all season and everyone's exhausted, look to the harvest moon to decide on the end game. Flavor is at its peak now. If you have a nice strain and want to keep this game going, you have 3 choices. Overwinter, flower to seed, or leaf out until the first freeze. Make your choice now. To overwinter, reduce light, water, and temperature over a few weeks, pinching off any flower heads, then bring indoors. To leaf out before first freeze, pinch off any flower heads, move to the sunniest location and max water daily, taking half its leaves every 2 weeks. My favorite is to play Mendel and seed out. Here is my Basil Stein, a culmination of carefully separating plants to form the perfect sweet, spicy, drought-tolerant hybrid. Robust flavor, rich in oils. For best seed quality, allow insect pollination. Fully desiccated brown calyx will crumble to seed for immediate dry storage. Now, leaf over winter or seed. Decide now before the harvest moon. Leaf over winter or seed.